Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about one of the most important exercises for a strong and toned physique, glutes workout. As someone who's passionate about fitness, I'm excited to share with you my favorite routine that will help you build a stronger, more defined butt. Let's get started. Our first exercise is the Sentadilla, also known as squats. This exercise works multiple muscle groups at once, including your glutes, quads, and hamstrings. To do a proper Sentadilla, stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, then lower your body down to the ground by bending your knees. Push back up to the starting position, squeezing your glutes at the top. Remember to keep your back straight and engage your core throughout the exercise. Let's do 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. The Bulgara or Romanian deadlift is another exercise that targets your glutes and hamstrings. To perform this exercise, stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, then bend down and grab a weight or dumbbells with your hands. Lift the weight up to hip level, squeezing your glutes as you lift. Slowly lower the weight back down to the starting position. Repeat for 4 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Now it's time for our third exercise, the glute kick. This exercise targets the gluteus maximus muscle and helps to lift your hips and legs. To perform this exercise, start by getting into a plank position with your hands shoulder-width apart. Lift one leg up towards the ceiling, then bring it back down to the starting position. Repeat on the other side. Do 4 sets of 15 reps on each leg. Our fourth exercise is the Unilateral Dead Weight. This exercise targets the glutes and hamstrings similar to the Bulgara. To perform this exercise, stand with your feet shoulder-width apart and hold a weight or dumbbells in each hand. Bend your knees and lower your body down to the ground, then push back up to the starting position. Repeat for 4 sets of 12 reps on each leg. Finally, let's finish with our last exercise, the side squat. This exercise targets the gluteus medius and peroneus muscles, which are essential for maintaining balance and stability. To perform this exercise, stand with your feet shoulder-width apart and your hands by your sides. Lift one leg out to the side, keeping it straight, then bring it back down to the starting position. Repeat on the other side. Do 4 sets of 15 reps on each leg. And that's it, folks. I hope you enjoyed this effective glutes routine and will give it a try in the gym. Remember to always warm up before starting your workout and to listen to your body and rest when needed. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more fitness content.